You do not want to take the PMP exam. You want to pass the PMP exam. Hi, I'm Joseph Phillips. I'm the author of several books on project management, and I'm your instructor in this course on how to pass the PMP exam. In this brand new, very robust course, I'm going to walk through everything that you must know in order to pass the PMP. We're going to look at all components of the PMP exam content outline. We'll compare and contrast PMBOK 6 and PMBOK 7, which is just one of the many resources that the PMP exam is based on. In this course, we're going to talk about project integration management, about scope, our schedule and cost, quality. We'll need to know a lot about resource management, both human resources and physical resources. We'll talk about communications and risk, procurement, stakeholder engagement, and contracting. And then we're going to really dive into adaptive. Half of your exam will be based on the adaptive hybrid approach to project management. So you'll need to know both predictive, waterfall, linear, and adaptive. Even if you don't manage adaptive projects, you'll need to know about Scrum and XP, Kanban, DSDM, and several others. This is a very big class because it covers everything that you could possibly see on your quest to earn the PMP. I've taught hundreds of thousands of people on how to earn the PMP. And if they can do it, you can do it too. A mantra that you'll see throughout this course is keep moving forward. That's my personal mantra, and it's what we'll use in this course as you keep moving forward to earn your PMP. You can do this, and I'm going to help you. Let's get started today with you earning the PMP. I'll see you in the course.